Engineering students create biodegradable plastic using banana peels. Engineering students from the University of San Carlos in Cebu, Philippines, have developed a biodegradable plastic made from banana peels. The project, spearheaded by students Mary and Tori Franca, Mary Grace Zabala, and Janine Charmaine Chavez, aims to address the global problem of plastic pollution. The team transformed banana peels into a biodegradable plastic through a series of chemical processes. They collected peels from local markets and treated them with various chemical solutions. The final product, named BioPlast, is a sustainable, eco-friendly alternative to traditional petroleum-based plastics. The potential applications of BioPlast are vast, ranging from food packaging to medical supplies. The material's biodegradable properties allow it to break down naturally, reducing the environmental impact of plastic waste. The students' project has garnered attention from local and international organizations. The University of San Carlos is now working with industry partners to refine the process and scale up production of BioPlast for commercial use. Article 2: Bolivian village reunites as disappeared lake returns. Night has just fallen on the outskirts of Antavi, in the middle of the Bolivian highlands, and the car's lights barely illuminate the dry land. The desert gives the impression that one could accelerate for hours without changing course, but Cristina Mamani knows that in a few meters, suddenly, water will appear. The second largest lake in Bolivia performed a miracle in these plains. It evaporated completely 7 years ago and refilled this summer. A fisherwoman like her grandparents and great-grandparents, Cristina Mamani claims it's not the first time this has happened. My grandfather used to say that every 50 years it fills up, then empties, she says. From here, the village by the water where she grew up is 2 twinkling lights 20 kilometers to the north. The land turns to mud under her feet, and Mamani points south. This time, the lake has returned only up to here. Lake Poopó had evaporated completely by the end of 2015, and the news traveled the world. A 2,337 square kilometer water mirror, almost 4 times larger than a capital like Madrid, disappeared along with over 200 species of birds, fish, and plants. A good rainy season brought water back in January, but the lake only filled between 40 and 70% of its capacity. As an isolated basin in the Andes, Poopó has always depended on a good downpour during the first quarter of the year to maintain its flow. However, the average temperature in the area has risen above the global average, 0.9 degrees in just the last decade, and has accelerated water evaporation. Cristina Mamani, 49, had to leave her village the last time the lake dried up. Located at 3,700 meters above sea level, Antavi can be reached after 3 hours of unpaved road from the south of the city of Oruro, in western Bolivia. In this Aymara village, the last one on the shores of Lake Poopó, the 2012 national census counted 393 inhabitants. There were 200 fishers, says Mamani. There was so much fish that the work of 5 days would last us a month. Now she rents a room in Oruro and lives day by day selling used clothing at the market with her cousin Josefa Magna. Her husband, Valerio Rojas, found work as a laborer in Calapata, a city on the other side of Poopó. They see each other every 2 months, when their schedules allow it.